art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Whiteout from Wings of Fire. So this is gonna be a dragon. Okay, so to start with, we are going to have the tail over here. I know that's a weird place to start. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a line down, back up, like that. So it kind of looks like a number 6. We're gonna maybe have it come in, there we go. And then we're gonna draw another line coming around, and it's gonna get bigger and thicker as it comes around. Like that. And we're gonna draw it like, it's gonna stop there. And then we've got these little zigzags on it. Now, when the zigzags get to the bottom here, they're gonna take a turn. And they're gonna go across, and then they're gonna zigzag around here. I know that's weird. There we go, perfect. All right, then we're gonna draw a curved line right here, and that will be the bottom of his wing. And then we're gonna draw another line coming diagonal like so, and it's gonna have a line coming back like that. Then we're gonna have another line coming up like so, and then it's gonna come forward like that. And then we're gonna have another line that comes back and gets really skinny right here, like that. And then we have another curved line here. So this is the bottom part of his wing. And then we're gonna have another line coming back and back, like that. It's really long. And then we're gonna have another curved line right here, and that's another section of his wing. Okay. Then we're gonna have another section that comes up, comes down, around, and then it's gonna come back up, have a little dip, up, and it's gonna get real skinny right here like that. Then we have the top part. Let's see, so this ends here like so, and then we have a top part that comes around, and it's gonna have a little dip right there, and another dip right here, and it's gonna come back up here, and we'll finish that up later. All right, then we have another part of the wing, so I guess actually we're gonna have to bring his back up just a little bit. There we go. And then we have the back wing that comes out here and lines up like so. And then we have the other part of the wing that comes here. And then we have another line that comes down like that. And that's basically all you see right there. Then there's another part of the wing that's up here, like that. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna work up to the head. So the head is gonna come up from the wing, so it's just gonna come up like this, and then it's got some little dragony kind of lines here, like that. And then, how's this go? Then we've got some more dragony type of spikies here, and some more here. And then that lets us get back here, and then these come down and they kind of go behind the spikies. All right, now for the head. So the head's just gonna come straight down a diagonal and then take a dip. And then it's gonna come straight down again, have a little hump, and then come diagonal. That's his little dragon nose. Then we come back into the mouth, back out for the lower jaw, and we have a little curve and then it kind of curves in. So it's kind of like an S. Then we're gonna go down like that, and it's not straight. It's got a little bit of an S curve to it. And then we're gonna come down, back across, and now we're gonna put on his first leg. So his first leg's gonna come down, go front, back, and we're gonna draw the back of the leg. So it comes down, he has a little dragon elbow. There's his little muscular arm, down, and then we've got his little talon hooks here. And there's his first arm. Now his second arm is behind his chest. So we're gonna draw his chest. So it's gonna come up and over like so. So it's like kind of like an S. Then we're gonna put his second arm back here, and it's a little bit further back. So it's a little smaller, but it's just gonna be a line. And then there's his little dragon elbow, and it's gonna come down. And then this one he's kind of standing on. So we're gonna put his nails here. I would hate to do a dragon's nails. Whew. And then we're gonna come over here. So then here's his hip. And then here we're gonna come down and then back around. And then here's his back claws. And then they come back, back. There's his back hip. Then his other leg back here, well, you're barely gonna see it. It's just gonna be like a little thing here, down, and then it's gonna overlap behind the first one, and then it's gonna come back up, like that. All right, so now we're gonna draw the face. So we're gonna start with a little curvy line, then we're gonna draw the dragon eye. All right, and then of course the teeth, the vicious gnashing teeth. Oh, dragon teeth. There we go. And I don't know if this dragon blows smoke or what, but I think I'm gonna put some little, because all the dragons I've ever known, okay, I've never really known a dragon, but you know, when I watch it on TV, they always are fire breathing. Okay, and let's see, what else can we put on here to add detail? So we could put some more details coming down his back. We could put kind of more of a arm thing here to show that. And put some more things here. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. That looks good. He looks like a nice, strong dragon. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.